Right, fantastic morning. I'm so said you good evening some ebro. Yes, Badwam we can see ni. Some na de be doso. There's a fantastic hotel up here the ebro sano and ya basa na a bet power na dey see akwankwan den some na the ebro. And our matches also. Say matches no Champions League ni beam say 3 days like I say egumuane ade and kwakwa Friday ye remo na ye remo akọ say other games so be course across Europe ni nyina no betimi atwa na wadi e bet power one more okay one up na there is some no at the brewo Sergio Manocho Bernard Paribotri me producers keju na nkasa ni Eric Asiedu Bwedi na chese no nesa some no so AC at e wo hormo now the UEFA Champions League mokopie mu ana otumu say yes and it was fine out Tenafima Leverkusen born a canine want to me to rest out Belgrade Benfica born by 2-1 Atlanta and Arsenal the Antimia Atletico Madrid bought Leipzig by 2-1 and Monaco bought Barcelona by 2-1. That is a shocking result of Brina as a Barca 4-4 Mumui and then a Monaco shell but 2-1 in that particular game. Yanko send games this way. Right and on the course so by for Leverkusen that is the man Xabi Alonso. Yeah, Rekuyi mama to say yes, one more first game. Want to win it. 7 more games to go. And this season, are different from the previous seasons. In a group we go the city we are now qualify for the next stage of the competition. Champions League won some pie Kopimo was the EPL La Liga this weekend matches Koso in the EPL West Ham United and Chelsea early kickoff early kickoff Chelsea and so but it is West Ham you have seen Aston Villa and the Wolves ball at 2 p.m. now facing Fulham and the Newcastle ball Leicester and the Everton Liverpool Bournemouth now Southampton and the Ipswich Town and the Pimso Spurs and in Brentford, Crystal Palace, and in Manchester United. Winning match the pass on Saturday. On Sunday, Brighton and in Northern Forest, and Manchester City, and Arsenal. It is a big game on Sunday. To wait, and the Abecoso, EPL, La Liga. La Liga is Spain. Now, the Spain so is Sierra-Corno, Mallorca. And Saidad and there say Kwambia so na beko saying dia and Leganes Athletic Club Sevilla now Kupimo Real Madrid to say yes I didn't more than Pani dia Girona and Rayo Vallecano Barcelona and Tafe Espanyol and Villarreal na Las Palmas Real Betis de Vigo and Atletico de Madrid na yeshe say Kwambia so no saying Besiako this weekend. But we have seen any city this weekend. Me home fixtures this week, Papa. Pariboche be check fixtures na me in La Liga. So checking bi ma me na fi yemfama ahwefo ene anopaye na se so AC atem. Now okopie mu ewo eho enomo na kese kwambia so no maniema ekoso pa na ade a na yenhwe na yenkwanim okopie mu wo Italian Serie A so ahyase Italian Serie A so very very interesting pa enya sam ketwa na Italian Serie A monom say AC Milan me no ka say no coach ason ya ehye so almost say na dwumadi ni si iko no onhye den hu so papa onhye den hu so dwuma no aso ya twa fa na boni ade so they are still negotiating so money coach foforo ebaba na obabo dwuma enso de amomo nteno say sam so esi tie ewo ho na Monterrey Madrid and Espanyol tishan so mame Deportivo Alaves and Sevilla and Deportivo Alaves and Sevilla na Valladolid ne Sociedad and so dia pem so Sasuna and Las Palmas na fi Valencia and Girona and so dia boni Real Madrid and Espanyol na Getafe ne Leganes and so dia boni Athletic Club will play on the 22nd against Celta de Vigo na Villarreal and Barca and Villarreal and able edition so sa FM and Rayo Vallecano Atletico de Madrid and so dia boni we match say koso in La Liga. Now if you name PM ewo ye efie na ehwese na efie so esi etie this weekend the Ghanaian Premier League etwaso na sign e besi akọ him say Hearts of Oak me no ka sama ko PM Lagos Stadium ho na asisi o mesi o makan ni ade a na no na say na ma sika ka first 2 games amfa third game against Badwam United because saying we on second game at home first game was against Holy Stars and fa on our way to Out of Lions and fa on back home against Badwam say na be coach Adema House of Folk Abubakar Watara ne somebody to dwan say omo ntimi ntina senya hwehan emma a third game omo basa drop points ebe hadwen pa yen hwe den somebody to dwan.
We're trying to get a good result on Sunday against another strong team between United who have a good side. We are taking the match by match. I think the team can change. It must change. And for change, we need to train hard more than the things we are doing. When the football has come in, that's the way the football is passion. You can win, you can lose, you can bowl, you can draw. That's the passion things the people like. But as a folk, it's as a folk. If you are not ready to support the pressure on the pitch, out of the pitch, in your life every day, I think you can't come to as a folk.
Right, and only and Sama Watara, one on a coach at the Marcas of Fokoria to each other. Okopie Mometema Kumasa Sante Kotokwa, woman so aged of nine so rest on the young apostles, and a debe bueniomo a newly promoted side of about Ligidimo and on Coach Prospanete Ogum, or coach Dema Korokon in Samotuja, a more new entrance there, but on one direct year, one the Vim and Vogo, and the young apostles they copy him so.
They are a very athletic side, they are direct, so we have to make sure that we don't allow them time and space on the ball. The pocket spaces that will be created in front, behind, and beside. We have to make sure that those pocket spaces we close them, or we are either first to the ball when the balls are played in there. Because if you are playing with a very young athletic side, they will run you out. So we need to make sure that those things are done. What eventually this means is that we need to stay very compact and make sure that we are very active defensively. That is when we don't have the ball, we are very active defensively. Even if the ball is not in your area, you are very active so that when the ball is played there, you can react. Making sure that we stretch them when we have the ball, try to circulate the ball, and then look for the right moment to see how we can break the lines and make sure that we create chances to score. So I think this is what we need to do on Sunday, and once we are able to do that, I'm sure we'll be good to go.
Wow. Okay, Prosper Nete Ogum, one on our coach at my Koroko, or more first game, or Linkley, you know, say Kumase Suyatum, and Koroko adapted the Linkley Sports Stadium in a boss out on Badwam home games. Senone on sub so it's yes. And I am sure the other fixtures, match day 3 of the Ghanaian Premier League. Yenche Sunday officials no ACT apart from House of Folk Kotoko no other games no saying ebesiako macho yenche no screen so sia na yenche Sunday ebesiako na Vision and Legon Cities they bought any Ochana 3 p.m. na and ni Ajay Kreku the second sports complex and a Saturday game na kwasi da Gold Stars and Basake Holy Stars and so they are boeni obibiani Dune Spark na face so the Karela and Accra Lions not a bad game crane Pasadena and in Nations board na Ajima Badu Park na Sante Kotoko and the young apostle Sene Medical Kano Lenkley has also Bowo University of Ghana Stadium. Nafe Dreams FC on Monday on the Heart of Lions and so at the Abo and Ni Tiway and the Sene Festus no ACT this weekend ya down some and so they brought Shannon Sumame since Waterman and a Samatas for money abre Samatas person qualify quite so ye BB Swaterman's person qualifier say or yet BB I will send a man Bodano Swaterman to Tifisa Mani Bukemo. And Samantha so actually draw. Munina a quack bomb, or other games near her second leg in the BC Ako, and so Hormo. Tiberia Sene Africano, Samantha's bit me qualify for the group stage, and I simple query short my bit me qualify for the group stage, and many crabia and a betcher, and so Horm de Biame catcher. As a share up wow, I want to make your decision. Yes, me KKK, and I say more MPP and I'm more NDC in Quan. And what ye when is ready who are more canny my no and send me a papa kind I'm so bomb wine na asanado kukrumutira kwa timoti near the sectorial debate and they brought yaki can be a queen yaka be a education ye about health ye the guswa ekokwe ni man ya anti patrol Sunday brewer and yasam ke to akra anti patrol shene so efa emame sectorial debate no ya jagiri ani ase a jagiri ani ase roads and yeah nyasam ke to roads ana kwambia so no ye hwe se kwambia so ye de bebrewo nti ya ye hwe se rules no wan ni so ndu be na mo de be my rules no se ye ba ye role ya ye we pen ni ade ada omo ni so de hu yiso mbo be boy ama ye cast no na so fa so ba ko no shocks ay week ebi amza ye de hon sam bebrewo ade eti ye kan sa no ye hwe se countryman songo be join o songo stick na ya hwe na what de ekoso ne so de abrain they all tuja afa hono what they bring also go stick and so and no pay bet power mo kan one pay near some na dey bro bet power betting companies na bet power and you can for the amount bet power there tom so na story transfer match say cost in this weekend match say cost in Europe Italy Spain babia Portugal bobodi kupio Saudi Arabia also match say cost ni ade Ghana match say cost bet power and abetimi twa na wadi enti faguso na unya twa nko ade a obedi and no pay e begina so na ye de se bedwuma wo kansie ni Bernard Padi Botwe aye me producer ani ade yanko songo steak Mr. Patrick Osaje my countryman songo na songo steak dia na ye hwe
me ma ko quick one we see debate cost debate me who debate cost the debate cost dia o me who debate
sectorial debate on say Mr. say amanyoku ahodo no e kire yen omani so de hunu a wo mo e de eba eti ya education ya health we do roads so eti MPP for and NDC for no wo mo be kire say mo ba roads no ye ni so de hunu ya de ba die because bi kwani bi ho a o fa so enye
ya pe hu ali say ba o ye ni Muhammad atan o bi am gina o be say na last year obi say nti o ma debate and I maybe a term will be show maturity by me Muhammad ni o person your president at debate mo clear more policies ni am with my e dia bo man Ghana more fire
sure
well punch me no play
good
fantastic me friend you see ya more time water can quench the fire maka ba o me ni Muhammad ni mo bekasa mo dia no baba e debate ni hu ni a obetimi aye president eni ye be gina so bi ato aba eni kwase san obi adwene mu se former president oni ma de chichiri mu ebe yi vice president onu so ba o mia say ni system yi digital system no economics man obutu a oye adwuma to onu so obi abetimi anya adwen sakra bi wo ho when there is debate na munya ze mu na ma mu hu ni am person mo kire more fire. Oh yes, mommy fancy. No water can quench up.
Most definitely. Nano. Yeah. Nano so over time a chima na yefe. Nyame sha. That's a pa be pomfo say. Over say ho.
Bibiana. We share u. Kese inshira na nkasa nkoma. O ma mi ni wono. O se ye ni etimi ye de. E dani about time. Ni etimi de tawachi. Eti ye tawachi. What you say? Nti o inshira na de atweda mponyame de amaye nyina. And we shira u bia. We shira u nyame wo pa.
Amen.
And our birthday no more fire come our belated one. More fire power come out.
More fire.
If you are welcome.
Right.
With a quick one just on the league. League in the sponsors. Mimi take on Ghana League and they say league na ye cano say we be born there ye drew week 3 ye drew week 2 as be bo kotoko be bono every for no first can be league ni omo pe headline sponsor me tie league na chi embe support Ghana League no sika esomboa ebetimi apagya league no ebiti se coverage one mu na etwa league no cameras ben mu di twa omo de phones na etwa na because league ni coverage no ni amehwe house ni Heart of Lions visuals ni nyina mani wo me league no si etwa manako Africa ni worldwide na Ghana ya ton ye ho ye football but league ni niska FNL ni resource but say Ghana football oka se ko forma omuso mu ye ni more resource we more achievement we and the FIFA ranking Ghana at that 70 it may be a term as 64 na near that and it's is it 54 I stand to be corrected and FIFA ranking at that 70 African in our ball number 5 ye ni obi number 10 Ghana ni obi ye tosso 14th our Africa football adintia muni resource muni achievement it will brown wase with all these names. Any minimadie no. I mean, practical, common sense. If you know how they can one, no brown wants it yard. We are fitia. Ghana for will help you. Now yet me a football, and I see a bit more boy football people who met my football. You perceive a boy actually a bit me a boy football but they feel so many Nimian Sama and women in Nima de Ama. I dear Munim in our modern so executive members, mode Edirani football in Ano. Yenya results be a football equal from an echo from the echo. Football in national teams, echo from local league, echo from now Samates, any instructor, so moyade, echo, a year Algeria. I mean, truth to be told, no crab, I could pass 2 teams, no, more goals for home buying. Yes, sir, but I could be to make 4, but I could be to make 6, 5, 7. From 3, 4, 5, 6, and you say, oh, something, me a gun and make us oh, a be yama instructor, man, a be yama, one. I hope so. I wish. But Oma who didn't me. Oma who didn't you who Ghana ha. Na North Africa, Algeria, only number to Makako 10 things around. Obi because anything is possible in football. Be football. But with the IGC answer. 2 teams, you know, they are out as it stands now. For your local league, you know, it need a sound one no. Sika kura ye di support teams na mo ma assist omu ye ti omu players ka ye di ti refiska sponsorship ni nyina ye di refiska bad officiating bad coverage one mun e local league one mun e sponsors of the local league when it comes to coverage TV right one more we should know sika say no mo dey buy omu obi asole anu afa ne phone no otwa Ghana league ne da bonten obi asole anu afa camera bia no otwa Ghana league ne da bonten. What sort of FNA 8 years 5 years now more results but money results we are can to the bia mutan nipa echi nipa say nipa time nipa mpamasem nipa na yese da say mo that's a money football ni you don't have the result only achievement mo make come achievement. Common Ghana League, Kurano, Mobaton League, you know, Amiyanya sponsors, headline sponsors, Sika, Ediaba Ghana League, Common Ghana League, Muntiminton, how? They have to find sponsors for the league, pest sponsors, and former Ghana League, you know, pest sponsorship for Ghana League, you know, you call week 3, near Bonnetrasa, you Bonnet Riesa. We don't pay attention to the local league. Anything I'm a blaster, sellers, Mrofu, foreign based players, and what? If local league, you know, talent. Boys, foreign based players. But we don't give them attention. Usually, I see a ball local league, you do with 3. With 3 sponsors, way. With 3 sponsors, a Dibo local league, you know, Sika, a Dibo local league, you know, headline sponsor, a stone boy, a Dibo local league, you know. Me and 1 p.m. Oh, fire for fire. Me to us 1 p.m.
Right.
Oh, fire anybody, any some more kickers Ghana, anybody bobolo, and then you bet them will say, or see a bobon or Ghana. So hypocrisy in action, some no said teacher, your bobon or Ghana against Sudan. Need now the 1 p.m. Yes, fire for fire.
Right.
Mr. Muakwaba, more fire, my guy.
Fantastic.
One love.
My man, Mr. Patrick Osaji, my countryman, Songo there. Songo stay. Songo yada pa area. You bet you fire for fire. So you bet you now see Bet Park and one in some of the Braille and Bernard Padibutre. Sajo Bano show me producers. Yana Wakai, Nankasa, and Kejuan, Erica Sidu.